Hey guys, Sharper Boy here, and got this ammo for a competition coming up this Saturday, the 28th, and yeah, got a problem. Knock my mic over. If you take a look, that brass, there, kind of derbish. Got some derbish on that. And all of this brass is nasty. And to top it all off, they gave me 101 out of this Winchester white box. So, Winchester, every 100 boxes of ammo you make, you could make another box. If you look at this, there's a few clean ones in here. Zoom out just a little bit. It's just dirty. But I'm still gonna shoot the competition with it. It's no biggie. It's not like my life's on the line. But I'm just really upset at Winchester. I guess. I don't know. I don't know who to blame. But all the bullets look good. They all look uniform. I mean, I'm not gonna check all the space on them, but they all look like, they're all seated the same depth. But it's just some nasty brass. Well, that's my rant for today. Y'all have a good one. Hey guys, part 2 to my rant video. I realized that some of these primers are sealed, not the same. Like this one looks like it's fine. It's fine. That one look, well, I don't know if you can. It's kind of got some red around it. Now here we go. This one, it's got some kind of red sealing on it. They're all different. Like these two. The one on the left's got some kind of red sealant. The other one's got a clear sealant, or it's not sealed at all. I don't know. And then these two over here are the same. Hold on a second. The one on the right, it's got the sealant. I don't know, man. That ammo's just garbage. Like, I'm still gonna use it for my comp, but man, I think there's just a lot number on the back. Whatever that is, that's the only numbers on here I could find. But what can I say? It cost $22 for 100 round value pack, so I'm not gonna complain about it. But yeah, y'all have a good one.